Hello all, welcome back to AK APT LOGICS. From today onwards, we are going to discuss about complete RTL to GDS2 flow, okay, which is related to the VLSI from specifications to last tape out, okay, that is GDS file which we are going to send to the fab unit to get our chip ready, okay. So whole process we are going to discuss, okay. We are going to see how to install the tools, what are the software that are required to install the tools, and also how to run those tools. We are going to see everything is open source with free free of cost, okay. I'm going to discuss about open source tools, okay. So let's in, see about everything in the upcoming day videos. In this video we are going to see the softwares that are required by us to install the to run the open source VLSI tools, okay. We are going to run our tools in the Linux platform. For that we need to first set up the Linux environment. For that first you need to install the Oracle VirtualBox. For that you need to search in the Google Oracle VirtualBox, okay. After searching it, okay, you can see the website, okay. The first website which is Oracle VirtualBox, right? So just click it, okay. Okay, now at the top there is a download button. Just click it, okay. You just click it, and then there are several hosts over here for Windows, Mac, OS, and Linux, etc. You need to click which operating system is yours. Mine is Windows, so that I'm going to click Windows host, okay. Then there will be one download will be added to your download files, okay. We can see in the history one file is getting downloaded which is of size 169 MB. After downloading it, we need to set up our VirtualBox. We need to set up our VirtualBox. This thing we will discuss in the next class, okay. You just download the VirtualBox, okay.